everyone, it's Marky. Today let's talk about this FAIMILORY dress. This is a midi length dress, so it goes down to about my mid calf, maybe just right below my knee, depending on how I'm kind of wearing it. And then it also does have this button front. These buttons do work. I bought a lot of dresses in the past where it looks like they have buttons and the buttons don't even work. This does, so if you want to wear it a little bit more open or you want it all the way closed, you can do either one. It is a tank top dress, and then it does have a little bit of a scoop neck. This is kind of bodycon, so it is going to hug your body a little bit more, but it does have stretch. It is 95% cotton and 5% polyester, but it definitely stretches enough. It is a ribbed material, if you can see. So I love that. It's super fun for just like casual summer. I love wearing it with sneakers, or you can even dress it up and put heels on and some jewelry and make it more dressy. I just think that it's so cute for summer. It's not too heavy and not too warm. It is lightweight, but it's not sheer. So you're not gonna have to worry about it being see-through at all. I have loved it. I've worn it multiple times, washed it in the washing machine multiple times, and it has just held up so great. So if you are looking for a really cute dress that's going to make you look all cute and summery, I think that this is a perfect fit. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.